Using autofill. In Microsoft Excel 2010, one of the outstandingly useful features is the autofill task. This lets us to take list items, drag it across the screen, and have a series filled in automatically. The months of the year is the most commonly used, is included as a default. Notice I've typed in January. Now when I want to drag the filling of the months across the screen, I need to go to this little square that's in the bottom of the cell. Now I want you to see that when I'm off the cell, I'm seeing a white cross. When I go on the square in the cell, it's a black plus sign. When I notice that plus sign, I'm simply going to drag the months across and it fills it in. Now you'll see at the end of the list that there's a little icon that's called a smart tag. Pull it down to see the options. Here I can just copy the word January or just copy the formatting if I did not want to fill a series. Instead, I fill the months automatically. This smart tag will disappear automatically when you start doing other tasks. For instance, go back to the January, find the plus sign, drag it down, and the tag has disappeared from earlier, but it did appear after December. So now you have noticed that I have been able to fill my months downward and also across the sheet. Notice if I type in an abbreviation for the month and drag it down, you will notice that there is a list of abbreviated months. One more thing that I want to show is if you pick up at any point in the list and drag it, it will be continued from where I picked up within the list itself. Same thing you can do with numbers. Here in this sheet, I am going to cell C2 and type in 1. Then I am going to the actual square and drag it down. But this time, it only appears 1. Here I can make use of this smart tag where I can pull down and select Fill Series. Now notice it has numbered them in order. One more time, if I go to the 4 and drag this across, see the same thing happened. Again I go to the smart tag and select Fill Series. So we can fix the problem and get more options by using smart tag. Along with months of the year and along with numbers, another factor that comes automatically with Excel are days of the week. Here I type in Monday and again go to the square and drag it across. So now we can fill the days of the week, months of the year, and numbers automatically. If any error occurs, we have smart tag to correct it.